If you're looking to bring more gravitas to your presentations, speeches, pitches, whatever it is, here are some tips that will help. Bear in mind that gravitas starts not from when you open your mouth and speak, but from the moment you walk on stage, you stand up in the meeting room, whatever it is. People will be looking at your body language. They will be looking at the way you carry yourself. Are you folding yourself up? Are your legs crossed, your arms crossed? Do you look nervous? If you look confident, they're going to assume you are confident, even if inside you are just going, oh my God, no, I don't want to do it. You need to be able to deliver your opening line with confidence, so learn it. And I would suggest your opening line should be something bold. People with gravitas don't open with an apology. People with gravitas don't open with a maybe, or I think, or a qualifier. People with gravitas will open with something that will grab their audience. They'll open with something that is maybe controversial, but is powerful. So think about what's the most powerful message in the presentation you're about to give and open with that, even if you then have to sort of flash back to justify that powerful statement. But gravitas does need to start as soon as you start. So make sure you're prepared, make sure you're rehearsed, make sure you know that opening line. If I'm about to go on and present, that's what's going around in my head. I'm just repeating the opening line. So when I do stand up or walk to the microphone, I can deliver it with gravitas. If you like more tips about gravitas in your presentation, do like and subscribe, and come back next time for another great tip on bringing that gravitas to the stage.